been running for 30 minutes. I hate running. It makes me really tired, but it can help me lose a lot of weight. So just try and try. You know that my husband advises me to run very regularly, but he wants me to run quickly, fast. Okay, so let's join me to find out when to use quickly, and fast.
You know, quick is sometimes used as an adverb. However, just in informal cases. It can be used as an exclamation, like in the situation, "Come on, quick, they'll see us." This is a cheetah. It runs super fast. So, when you want to talk about the speed that somebody or something moves at, use fast. This word is both adjective and adverb. So remember, never use fastly. I have some examples to help you understand. How fast can a cheetah run? Honey, can't you drive any faster?
Okay, so now you can understand how to use quickly, and fast correctly. If you forget or are not sure about their use, you can watch this video again and again. Okay, so if you think this video is helpful, please give us one like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Shining with Missing, a shortcut to your English enhancement. Now, goodbye and see you!